Stop buying expensive pool cleaners. Seriously, because after testing a bunch of those big, heavy, do-everything robots, I think we've all been asking the wrong question. Not how advanced is it, but does it actually make your life easier? And today we're putting that idea to the test with the Gosvor LiteVac G1. So I'm out here in South Florida, it's hot, the pool's looking, not great, and instead of bringing out one of those massive, complicated robots I've reviewed before, I grabbed this. First impression? It's small. Like, surprisingly small, and when I picked it up, that's when it hit me. This thing is only 15 pounds. If you've ever lifted a pool robot full of water, you already know. That alone is a big deal. No complicated setup here, no long app process. You open the top, check the filter, drop it in, press a button, and that's it. And honestly, that simplicity feels intentional, because a lot of pool robots try to impress you with features you'll use once and then forget. This one just gets straight to work. Now let's talk performance, because simple doesn't mean weak. This thing is pushing up to 3,960 gallons per hour suction, and you can actually see it working. Not random bouncing, not confused turns. It moves with purpose, across the floor, up the walls, even along the waterline. And those dual roller brushes? They're constantly scrubbing while it moves, so it's not just picking stuff up, it's actually cleaning the surface. Leaves, sand, fine dust, it handles all of it. And when I open the filter afterward, that's when you see the truth. It picked up way more than I expected. Inside, you've got a double filtration system down to 3 microns. That's the kind of stuff you don't notice while it's running, but you definitely notice it when the water starts looking crystal clear. And runtime? Up to 200 minutes. That's enough to clean pretty large pools in one go without babysitting it or recharging halfway through. But here's the part nobody talks about enough. What happens after it's done? Because this is where most robots get annoying. They're heavy. They're awkward, you're dragging them out like a soaked suitcase. This one? It finishes, parks itself near the wall. You lift it out with one hand, let the water drain, rinse the filter, done. No struggle, no frustration, no I'll clean it later excuses. It does have smart navigation with structured path planning, so it's not just wandering around, and you can tweak modes if you want. Floor, wall, eco, all that. But here's the thing. It doesn't force tech on you. You can use it like a smart robot or just a simple drop-and-go cleaner. That flexibility is actually pretty rare. Now, is it trying to replace those massive, fully loaded high-end robots? Not really. If you want advanced mapping, full automation zones, tons of customization, there are bigger, more complex machines out there. But they also come with more weight, more setup, more hassle. This one feels like it was built for real life. It focuses on the stuff you actually deal with every week, lifting it, cleaning it, using it without thinking twice. And maybe it doesn't try to do everything, but what it does really well. After testing so many pool robots, this is one of the first that made me stop and think, maybe bigger isn't better, maybe smarter, lighter, and easier wins. So if you're tired of dealing with heavy, complicated machines, the Gosvor LiteVac G1 might be exactly what you've been missing. Let me know what you think. Would you take lightweight and simple over big and advanced? And if you want more real-world tests like this, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.